Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Wills. So I want to shout out VRS for sending over the ARK backpack. Now they know I'm a war veteran and this is a military style backpack. And they also know that I'm going to CES, so they wanted to pack it in. So there should be some goodies inside of this bag, I'm told. But we're going to start with this bag, man. This is just, well, it's not exactly like the military bags that I had when I was in the military. I've been out for 24 years. But this is definitely an upgrade from what I had back in the day. So we're just going to start right here and show you the bag itself has several different pockets. It has pockets on both sides. And we'll go over this thing, each pocket here. This front pocket right here is just a small little cubby hole where you can store something. Now I'm going to use this as a tech bag and a traveling bag. Side pocket right here. You can store some pencils, pens, whatever you need to put in here. Store something small in that side pocket right there, and I'm sure it's the same thing on this side more than likely. Yep, same thing over here. I can appreciate that. So looking at the back of the bag here, you've got the typical style here for when you put it over your shoulder. Let me tilt the camera a little bit here. You can strap it down in the front, so you'll have something going along the front of your chest. And the inside here, most backpacks now come with a little pocket here on this side. And this one is no exception. You can store a lot of stuff down in here. I mean, backpacks, your wallet, battery packs, your wallet, anything, man. And I like the flat design for the camouflage look of this bag. I think it looks pretty sweet. So this top portion right here, this bag can hold up to a 15-inch laptop. So let me cut this off here. It can hold up to a 15-inch laptop, which I think is really cool. I'm going to be taking a 13-inch laptop with me. So as I crack this open here, you've got some VRS design branding here. And if you go this way, you can put your laptop down in here. Lots of padding. Deep well. You can definitely hold a 15-inch laptop. So let me grab a 15-inch laptop real quick. I've got a couple of them. Here's my gaming laptop. Let's see how well, and this is a bulky laptop, so you can put it in this side right here. Yep. This bag can definitely hold a 15-inch laptop because this laptop is huge. And I'm going to be taking only a 13-inch laptop with me and an iPad out to CES. So that is the main pocket for the laptop. And if you go on this side over here, you've got a little mesh area right here where you can store like toiletries or something if you need to. Now going down deep inside of the bag, let's zip this up. There's actually another little pocket right here on the front that zips down like this, and it opens up into some things inside. So they got a universal charger here. Looks like there's two of those in here. This is the deep sea blue, and this is a lightsaber, looks like. And then you've also got the Halo wireless charger. We'll get to those in just a second. But inside of this bag right here, it is a deep well bag. And this is definitely a tech bag. So inside here, lots of room in here. You can't fit, this isn't technically a traveling bag. Some of the other bags I have, I can fit a full wardrobe in there, roll it up, and then still have some room for some tech stuff. This is definitely a tech bag. So battery packs can go in here. No charging ports or anything on this one. But still, this is a good bag to store things. And I appreciate VRS Design sending this over. Man, this is crazy. So let's get to the other goodies that they sent. They sent over two universal mounts. Looks like this says this is the deep sea blue and this is light silver. Now that bag will run you 99 bucks. And these universal chargers, I think they run about $45. So these are gonna be nice for the car. Let's open up the light silver first, I guess. This can fit up to a 6.5-inch display, as it says here, down to a 4.7. Let's get it open here. And it comes in a really nice bag, man. I like when companies pay attention to detail, because this bag It can actually be used as just like a little backup bag or something. So here it is right here. This is a plastic design. You would think that it was metal based on the photos. It's crazy. So it twists like that. It goes up, and it can twist all different kind of ways, like so. And you can twist it, you lock it down in place on your dash right here. Yeah, so this little part will come off right here. That's protecting this little part right here with the sticker. Once you peel that off, you know what I'm saying, that's a really sticky surface. So I'll be putting it in the car. But it can hold up to a 6.5-inch display. It says phone. So we're going to test it right now. And this goes like this. It goes all these different ways. So let's get the iPhone XS Max. And it definitely holds it up. So you can lock it in place right here. I unscrewed it. There you go. It definitely holds it. So it holds the iPhone XS Max. So it for sure can hold other phones then. Let's try the OnePlus. Obviously it holds it really good. And this will lock in place. It'll lock down in place, and it'll be really tight on the surface whenever you do it, get it locked in place. Let's get the Note 9. Let's try some big phones. Note 9 on deck. And it definitely fits that one for sure with no problems. So if you're in your car, depending on if you have like facial recognition or something like that, like with the iPhone, you can have it pointed towards you at all times, and it'll definitely take care of it. So that's it. Let's get another big phone. This is a 6.5-inch display phone. This is the Honor 8X. It definitely holds this big boy too. You can see in the back here how it adjusts on this part right here. So it definitely holds big phones. That is no question. And these would be nice just to have around the office too, man. So that's, you know, it's up to you how you want to use them, but these are nice. Yeah, real nice. So you lock in place like that. And lock in place. Let's try it. Let's open up this blue one right here and see what the blue one looks like. I think I told you the wrong price on that. These right here run you $39. I'm sorry. These run $39, not $45. Here's the blue. And the blue will be the same thing. It's just blue. That's it. So there you have it. You got the silver, and you got the blue. And let's check out the Halo wireless charger. This right here could be good for your Apple products, your Samsung products, anything that's got wireless charging, you could use it with this. So let's pop it open. This top part should pop open too for stuff. So this is the warm gray color, not the black one, I think. It says warm gray, unless that's what they're considering as black. This runs you $45. Those run you $39. BackPack run you $99. All right, so we get it out. Yeah, this is like that lighter color. And then this is the actual charging pad thing. So it goes like this. Let's crack this open. So you can actually sit things on here to charge, according to the photos. Looks like you can sit, it just charges on this portion right here. You can sit other things on it. Yeah, this is clean. That's like a soft touch leather. It's nice right there, son. All right. And it just sits in here like this. And you got a little plug right there. Looks like it's Type C. Got a little nice little Type C cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it. But you can store things down in here. You can sit your Apple Watch over here. So I got a 45-watt portable charger right here. I'm just gonna plug this up real quick, and then we're gonna grab some phones and sit them on here. There it is. So it's charging. I wish things over here it'd be nice if this charged too, but this is just for decoration to put stuff over there. So it's charging, so let's put the Note 9 on there. Watch that start up. Oh, battery pack turned off. All right. It's got a nice little grip so your phone will not slide around. And my battery pack is turning off, but let's get some constant power going over here with a direct feed, so I can test this for you the right way. You should see my desk, folks. You should see my desk. All right, clean it up after this video. So you can plug this in right here, and then you put your phone right there, and you should see some power come up. There we go. So it is charging. Got a little indicator right there. Boom, there you have it. You can see us. There you go, you can see it now. Now let's put the Pixel 3 on here. Pixel 3 started up real quick to charge. It says charging down there. But there you have it, man. A few things from VRS Design. Really feeling it, really liking it. I think it's hot. But it's your man, Jay Will. I appreciate VRS Design sending all this stuff out for review. And a nice gift before I head over to CES. It's your man, Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.